Hey, Sue Moore here. And my question to you is, do you think winter skin looks good on you? I don't know. Take a look at her eyelashes. Awesome, huh? Ooh, I can't imagine that. Anyway, today I have 3 tips for you to help beat Mother Nature when it comes to the dryness and the flakiness and everything that happens to our skin in the wintertime. And if you live in the South like I do, some days where it might be 75 and it's beautiful, so you're just out there, you're not protecting your skin with from the sun rather. And then some days like right now, it's beginning to rain, and I think the high is going to go down to about 38. Hopefully it'll stay there above freezing. But anyway, so when you have those vast change in temperatures, not to mention the change in your home as you've got the heat on and so forth, it wreaks havoc on your skin. So there's 3 tips for you, okay? First of all is to calm your skin and to rehydrate your skin. You want to use, obviously, a hydrator. That will restore the skin's luminosity. And then it should also, with your moisturizer, the second tip is you want to moisturize to balance the moisture levels in the skin. Now, a lot of people get confused with hydration and moisture, and many people will think it's the same thing, but it really isn't. A hydrating serum or product draws water from the atmosphere and brings it to the face. The moisturizer acts like a piece of saran wrap, if you will, and kind of locks that moisture on your face. It does make a difference how much glycerin is in your hydrator, because glycerin is the key ingredient that is actually drawing the moisture out of the atmosphere. So it does make a difference, but that's a whole nother video. The point is that you need both to calm and hydrate. Obviously use the hydration serum to keep it on the skin. You really need to be moisturizing maybe 4 or 5 times a day. It just depends on really how dry you are. And then the third thing is you want to frost your body, if you will, with a body hydrator, because when you get out of the shower, or even when you're getting ready for bed at night, you take off your shirt or your blouse or whatever, and you've got all these little white things, falling down and around. That's dry skin. And I don't know about you, but when I look at my desk, it seems to have a little more white dust on it these days than it did, let's just say 3 months ago. So all of that to say, in order to get a handle on what's going on and how Mother Nature is trying to screw us all up, you want to make sure that you are hydrating, you want to make sure that you're moisturizing, and you want to make sure that you're not only moisturizing your face, but you're also doing your body. So those are the 3 tips for how winter skin does not look cool on you. On another note, just so you know, there are only 35 days till Valentine's Day. And so you do have time to get lashes like this, only they wouldn't be white. They would be dark and beautiful. And so if you're open to learning how you can do that, message me. I'll share with you what I use. And if you like it, great. If you don't, that's fine too. But I just thought I would give you that little heads up because it's right around the corner. That would be Mr. Cupid coming to visit us. So that's it for today. I hope you have a great weekend, and go Packers. Hopefully win. Bye.